Full swing right there. Got 3 in a row. See if I can keep that going. Front, face view. Okay, armpit tuck. Just turn your shoulder, okay? Down, up, and then down, up again. Okay, light grip. Shoulder just move it. Okay. Wow. Okay, try that one, see if it'll help you. Okay? Didn't go to the range, hit it, balls in the garage only. Balls in the garage only. Wow, that was good. Try that one, okay? So armpit tuck, just move shoulder. Don't move, no wrist or arm moving independently. It's all together, okay? All together, go up and then coming through, okay? Try that one. See if it works for you. Sign off. Until next time.